Next topic we will discuss two data structures, sets and maps. So what is set, what is map, code example and explanation for each. So what is set? Set is nothing but collection of unique values and it will not have duplicated values in set. Set has multiple functions, add, hash function and delete function, and you can iterate all the values of set using for each. You will see code example for each of this. So we know that set is collection of unique values. Let's see how to create a set. New set of, you will have to give an array inside it. Any values you can give. 2, 2, 2. So to understand that the unique values will be maintained, that is the duplicates will be removed, I have added multiple times the value 2. Right. So now we will try to run this code. We have created a set with multiple values and even duplicated values are added inside, and we have printed that set. See, the set has the value 1, 4. It has to be noted that the value 2 is present only once, whereas while creating we have given 3 times, which means the duplicates will be removed and only the unique values will be maintained inside the set data structure. Right. Now the next function the set has is add. If we want to add any values after initialization, set object dot add of 100. So initially this is the set, and after adding the value we are having the output. I mean the 100 is added to the existing set. Then next important function is hash function. Hash function helps us to find whether if that value is existing in the given set. How to use it? My set dot hash of 100. So this will search whether this value 100 is present in this set. If it is present, then it will return true, print true, otherwise it will return false. So since the value 100 is present, it is returning true here. Next function is removing a value. Delete function. My set dot delete of, let me delete it 100. Again, after deleting, I am just printing the values of my set. So initially set has 6 values, then we have added 100, that is why it is 100 here. Then we have checked whether the set has the value 100, so it is true. Then we have deleted the value 100, and after that you cannot see 100 in the set value. Then finally, how to iterate the values of a set using for each. My set dot for each of value arrow function console log of value. That's it. Using for each you can iterate it. See, initially we have printed the values of set, and then using for each we have printed each value of the set. This is the basics about set data structure. Now we will move on to maps. Maps is nothing but collection of key value pairs. In set you can see each value will be a number or a string but a single value. But in case of maps you will have key value pairs. A value will have a key and a value. So combination of key and a value will make one element in maps. Important to notice, key of this maps can be a string or a number or even an object can be set as a key. Then we have multiple functions here: set, get, hash and delete, and same thing we can use for each to iterate all the values of maps. You can see examples now, right? So how to create a map? First, new map of, that's it, we have initialized the map. How to add a key value pair to map? My map dot set of, we have to add two values here. For example, first one should be key and second one should be value. Let's try adding multiple key value pairs. If we try to print this map, see, you can notice that each value is a key value pair. Name is a key and key is pointed to this alias value. Likewise, you have the second value age as a key and 40 as the value. So each element is going to be a combination of key and a value. Right now, we will see how to access each values of the map. If you know the key of the element, you can easily access using get method. Get of, just enter the key name. So this my map will search for a element that has a key name and print it. See, if you search for the element that has the key as name, you will get the value alias printed here, right? We have told one more thing, that key need not be a string alone, it can also be an object. So we are going to add another element with key as object. So it's need not to be the same object string, it can be anything, comma, special example. So while getting this value, while searching for this key, we can straight away enter this key value here, key here, not value, key here. Map.get of same key person, that's it. So this is expected that we are getting undefined. The reason is objects in JavaScript ES6 are referenced using the reference and not by the value. So if we need this object as key, you have to create this object as a value, then use that object to add as key to this key value pair, then directly use the same object reference, not the value, only object reference will work, same object reference to get this value. Now you can see the example. So key value pair, the key can also be an object, but that object should be uh, referenced using the same object that is created. Now the next function that map has is hash function. You can enter the key inside this hash function. JavaScript will search whether an element that has the key name is present or not. It returns true since we are having a key value pair with key name. Next function, I need to delete a value. Delete of age. So what we will do is, before deletion we will just print the values of map, and then after deletion we will again print the values of map to see the difference. See, first you have name, age, and third value key person special example. After deletion you will not be able to see the age key value pair because we have deleted, right? So the last part of this map is how to iterate all the values of map using for each. Dot for each of value comma key arrow function console.log of key comma value. So you can have your own implementation of strings with some decorators or something. See, you have all the key value pairs displayed on each line. So these are the features of maps, and that covers main basic functionalities of sets and maps.